GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share, do all of that. Below the video you'll find some links. You can join a free Telegram channel. You can book consultation if you want to talk to me. And you can get this robot if you want to print money on autopilot. Just go and check out these links in your free time. Subscribe, like and share. Coming back to the chart, starting your top-down approach with a weekly time frame. Weekly we ended blue, so we are still in the uptrend, okay? And coming back to daily time frame, daily is what this low is not broken yet, so the uptrend is still intact, okay? This high needs to be broken. These two highs needs to be broken to confirm the uptrend, okay? Right now we are consolidating. Coming back to 4 hour here, you can see in 4 hour we have just closed above the this EMA which you see here. And we have a zone marked up, so you can see my rectangle. So if the price closes above this rectangle with momentum, then we will continue going up. Other confirmation can come if this high is broken. So if the next blue candles breaks this high, then that's our confirmation to go long, okay? But trend is up, and you can see the daily here. Daily is this high has to be broken. 4 hour you have the zone. Right now we are consolidating. Either we go up or we go down. This zone will decide, and that's how we will plan our entry. So that's it. Subscribe, like and share. And if you want to talk to me, you can book consultation, or you can get this robot and make money while doing nothing. So I'll see you in my next video. So then take